Hi people, how are you? Natsuki's here. It's soon Christmas. Do you have any plans for Christmas? You're gonna go back to your home or you're gonna have a nice family time? I'm home alone. I'm home alone, but I have Punch. Punch. Yes, Punch is here, so it's nice. Anyway, so it's getting me cold. Is that okay? Are you feel okay? I'm kinda, my throat is a little bit, doesn't feel really good, amazing, but I just crocheting around and yeah, just get ready for kinda winter. I wanna hibernate, but anyway, so today I'd like to make this. So this one, recently I made the as hair accessories and I really like it. It's so cute, I think. I just tied up my hair like this and it's very easy to attach it. It's kind of like this. I bought this hairband. And this is a leftover yarns and some beads. So I made two of it and I really like it, but it's my hair is kind of short now and this is too long, so I think I want to make a little bit more short versions, but I really like this one. So anyway, so it was very easy, so it's just a nice full little bit, like if you want to work on it, why not? Yarn on the hair and beads as well. It's gonna make it more gorgeous, so it's kind of new fashion style. Okay, let's get started. So recently I'm not like depressing, but it's kind of make me sad is I was working on the cardigans and it didn't really work well, and I was going to make videos and you know it doesn't work well. I can't make video. She needs to a little bit calm down. I can't make cardigans, so it was really kind of make me depressed, and I bought really lots of yarn for that, but you know, it's kind of doesn't work really well. But I kind of now figured it out how do I make the cardigans. A new one is gonna coming soon, the video, so not really soon, I'm still working on it, so it's gonna more later. So I just want to, for refreshing, kind of want to do more easy, something easy peasy breezy, nice accessories. So I'm gonna make shorter version of this today. Especially these yarns, I was making cardigans and I failed, so, and a kind of weird length of it, so I couldn't use for for the cardigans, so I don't know what do I do, and then I just made this. So well, actually yarn is anything is okay, any yarns, just whatever you will favorite. So this one is kind of, I made a kind of blue purplish vibe, so I'd like to use this yellow and more leftover this yarn. See, it's kind of not much, so I'm gonna use this. And you prepare these. Okay, so you prepared yarns and also the hairband, some plain hairband, and some beads. I have lots of beads collection because I really like it, and since I was a child, I'm having lots of beads like this. It's getting a bit less though. Like this kind of childish beads, I didn't know how do I use it, especially like this, you know, kind of plastic, kind of, you know, not fancy beads. It's very cute, but I just, you know, didn't know how do I use it. So this is nice opportunity to use it. So last time I used a bunch of it, so it's kind of now not much left. And yeah, but you know, like this I bought in UK that can mix beads and my another beads collection. And some of, if you buy, there's some like a mixed beads, and sometimes you're gonna find not your favorite. So I don't know. So for example, like this one is cute, but I don't know, back if that was totally crystal, that's nice, but behind is kind of mirror. It's kind of interesting beads, not my cup of tea. And yeah, so like that, something not your favorite, but makes everything it's gonna be cute. So you can use some leftover beads. Yes, and also I have a bunch of like this. This is another cheap beads I bought in 100 yen shop, so it's nice material for this project. And so for you prepare beads and beading thread for beads. Okay, so first you're gonna make I think yarn. You're gonna twist it yarn. Because this one, this time I made it too long. So I'm okay for like this. It's kind of short version I'm gonna make. So length is whatever you want, so it's fine. Okay, so let's twist the yarn. So first you prepared your hairband and your yarn. So this is too thin, so I'm gonna make it lots of kind of make a cluster. I cut it like this. Not much long, I guess. Is it too long? I don't know, maybe too long. But you're gonna cut your yarn. So like this yarn, and I'm gonna prepare like 6 of it. So I cut the yarn like this, and I prepare 6 of it. So first I'm gonna tie it up to the hairband. It's nothing special, it's just tied up. Secure. See, it's tied up. So now you're gonna twist these parts like your hair. It's gonna be easy. You're gonna stop. Put the sticker and it's not gonna move it. So you're gonna make 2 each. Dun, dun, dun. And 2 yarns each, and from here middle, and this right one to here. You know how to do twist, right? If it's too loose, it's not good, so just twist this yarn. For the end, you're gonna make a knot. special. It's very simple. Voila! Nice yellow hair is done. It's kind of like a Rapunzel. So this edge is kind of ugly, so you're gonna trim it. One is done. So the other yarns are same as well. So you're gonna do. You can attach the how many. That doesn't matter how many yarns head. I think I'm okay for 2. So. So cute. It's very pretty, nice and dreamy, matching with yellow. So for here, you're gonna attach the beads. I think put in the middle is nice, or you can put in the side as well, but my recommendation is in the middle. So first, you're gonna attach the beading thread. So now just put your favorite beads, and actually it doesn't matter the combinations, whatever you like. I have lots of nice beads, and I'll show you after I'll finish. And I just recommend is don't use the grass beads. Well, you can use it, but it's gonna be too heavy. So I think for this, it's kind of cheapy. Plastic beads is better. So yeah. Okay, I'll see you after finish the beading. So when you finish the beading, you're gonna make the secure, make knot, and leftover this slit you're gonna throw back. For all of it. It's okay, it's coming from the other side. You're gonna throw again. I'm not really handy person, so it's, but still I really like it beading. Okay. Is it good on? I really don't like my hair. This is not the accessory problem. This is my hair problem. I can't do anything. Is it good? less gorgeous but less annoying for maybe just a little bit is nice. I'm gonna make one more, so if I put together both of it, that's maybe nice. So I can't see it at the moment myself, so I'm gonna go check bathroom and I'm gonna make one more things. One more. Okay, I finished 2 of them. It's really cute. It's much less short. But I just realized maybe the long is really gorgeous and nice. This I don't know, I made it too short. I was going to make more like this length, but it's really short. But it's nice for short hair, I believe. It looks like a kind of key holder. I can put in a bag or something like that, but no, I'm gonna put on my hair. And so today I just finished the work. Even after work I can make like this. It's very super easy. So yeah, I just gonna do hair set and try on it tomorrow. So yeah, today is just finished. It's really nice. I really like it. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. So yeah, I should have a cup of tea for it. Recently my hair is kind of coming out, lots of short hair on my head. It's kind of, this is very annoying. I don't know what do I do. Anyway, so I finished yesterday and I attached my hair. Not so annoying. The before I made, the long beads was hitting my face, so it was quite annoying. But this time, nice size. It's just cute and not good at hairstyling, so I just tied up my hair like a little bump, and yeah, it's quite nice. Maybe I could put more the yarns, and maybe if I'm gonna do maybe more strong color using is better. I don't know, but still I really like it. It's kind of, it's very gorgeous. Beads on my hair is really nice. And again, extra hair, cute yarn hair as well. So, what do you think? Anyways, if you have leftover yarn or beads, and maybe that this is good idea for maybe with friends, kind of matching, that'll be cute when you go first or when you go somewhere. I don't know, but yeah, it's a good idea, I think. So if you think this is kind of cute, maybe you can subscribe and like this video. Okay, thank you. I'm now working on the cardigans, and I don't know, I kind of want to do more creative things recently, so I don't know when the next video coming, but anyway, have a nice Christmas time, and thank you for watching. Okay, bye.